I'm starting off with my previous wash and go from the Do Be Girl collection. And even just looking at this now, I still stand by this has been my favorite mousse to use so far. It just was really good at defining my curls. So if you have not seen that video yet, go ahead and go check that out before you watch this one, or watch this one and then go check that one out, whichever you prefer. But in this wash and go, I am just using my all Trepdora products to do this wash day. I haven't used all Trepdora products before, as in a shampoo and a deep conditioner together, just because I haven't gotten around to it yet, but I've had these products. I've had the Goji Berry Mint shampoo rinse for a while, and at first I really didn't like it. It was so gentle that I just thought it was doing nothing. But once I really started to use it, I realized this gentle shampoo has its place, and it's actually a very great cleanser. I really enjoy using it. It does the job, but it doesn't completely strip my hair, and I really believe that a lot of gentle shampoos are just so nice. Like if I had a different hair texture, a different hair type, I understand why you'd want to use a gentle shampoo every day. It is so nice and so refreshing for your scalp, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling like friggin' straw. I am thoroughly shampooing my hair right now, and just sit back and relax and watch the process, guys.
Last time I tried this, I only had like a small sample packet, and it wasn't enough to even give like a actual review over it. Let's see. Ooh, creamy. Oh, I don't know what that smell is, but it smells earthy. So it feels soft upon application. Get some more for the other half of my hair. And I'm gonna put a little bit more, just like at my little trouble spot.
I haven't really been separating my hair into sections during the shampoo process like I used to do, but I will absolutely still separate my hair into sections for the conditioning.
I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit and start detangling, but so far, I'm liking how my hair is feeling.
I'm always marrying my conditioner with water because that really is what helps it foam up and do its job. So I'm just working that conditioner into my hair and then going in, separating that section. and just detangling each section on its own using my Denman brush. I'm using the old Denman brush because this is the one I have in the shower. Be patient with me, guys. I am going to do a comparison between the newer Denman and the older Denman. I also have the travel size Denman and I enjoy it quite a bit, but honestly, they're not super different, but they are a little different, so we'll talk about it.
Overall, the application was pretty easy. It wasn't hard to put on my hair. It's pretty softening. I'm just gonna have to see how my hair feels once I rinse this out, but it had good slip. Not the best slip I've ever had, but it had really good slip, so. And this is a protein treatment mask, protein hair mask, so I'm not expecting like super great slip. It's even better than I thought it would be based on the little sample package that I had gotten a while back, but so far so good. And I have a good amount left in here. Like, I feel like this is only gonna last me about 4 or 5 uses, but like, you expect that. I expect that from something that looks like this. So yeah. It's feeling really soft, very soft, which is not what I expected, honestly. I know it's a deep conditioner, but it's a protein deep conditioner, and they don't typically make my hair feel very soft, you know? But it feels great. And I've sat with this in my hair for an hour, and it feels amazing. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this out. It feels really good. I'm really liking this deep conditioner. Right now it's a 10. 10, 10, 10. Because my hair feels so hydrated. Oh my gosh. Yeah. 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 Yes to this.
Continuing on with the all Trepdora, I will be using the Trepdora Bamboo Ginseng Curling Mousse for my mousse only wash and go next video. Make sure to tune in and I'll see you there.